What's up guys, Chuck Palmer here. In this video, I will be installing new LED bulbs in this 2007 Honda Civic. I will be installing these AUTOONE 6000 super bright LED bulbs. If you have old halogen LED bulbs installed in your vehicle, it's a good time to upgrade them. These LED bulb types are HB4 or 9006. Look at them while driving. You can see my path is very clear. There is something about white looking LED lights. They just look better on motor vehicle in my opinion. Let's go install these. Note that the installation process will differ depending on your make and model vehicle. Once you have the correct LED bulbs, you are good. The process will be similar for a lot of Honda Civics. I will have to get under the wheel lining to access the bulb. I will need to lift the vehicle to make room to pull the wheel lining out of the way. I will use a floor jack to lift the vehicle. You can see the space created here. I will now remove these two screws to shift the wheel lining out of the way. There should be a clip here, but it is missing. I will have to install a new one when we install in this wheel lining. For the passenger side, I will need to remove two clips there. This bumper needs to be repaired. As you can see, it is not held in place by the bumper clips. That creates even more working space though. I will reach in, disconnect the electrical connector, twist anti-clockwise to remove it. It's now out. To install the new AUTOONE LED bulb, I will insert the bulb with the connector side at the 4 o'clock position, then lock in place at the 6 o'clock position. Now I will feel for the electrical connector and plug it in. It's in. Now I can put the bumper and wheel lining back in place, then move to the driver's side. It's similar for the driver's side. Lift the vehicle. There should be two clips right here which are missing, so I will just shift the wheel lining out of the way. Now I will disconnect the electrical connector, then twist the bulb anti-clockwise to remove it. The bulb is out and I will now install the new AUTOONE LED bulb. I will now insert the new LED bulb with the electrical connector side at the 4 o'clock position, then lock in place at the 6 o'clock position. Now I can install the electrical connector and that's it for this side. It's time to put the wheel lining back in place and I will install two new clips to hold this in place. This is how they look at night. Now this is how they look while driving at night. You can see that my path is clear and this is how they look in a older 2007 Honda Civic headlight housing. Links for these LED lights will be in the description below. That's it for this video. But before you go, please share and give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one guys.